everybody, Brad, Proformance Unlimited, your dyno tuner. On the dyno today is a 7.3 Godzilla. Once again, and this one has the BTR intake on here, the Holley kit, and the Indy valve covers. It looks great, performs great. It's actually going in a 74 Bronco, and can't wait to see some pictures of that Bronco. And other than that, folks, if you need a Godzilla, we are your one-stop shop for your Godzilla. We are the Godzilla destination. Don't hesitate to give us a call to wonder about any of our packages for our Godzillas. We have a 1,000 horsepower package as well. 700 horsepower package, and this is our baby 525, and we also have a 625 package. So do not hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Peace.